That's 37471, that one is. Oh. There are two buses there. 19658 and don't know the other one, 48206, I'm assuming. It goes 19658. Haven't seen her for a while. Here she is. What number? And what's the other? Ooh, first Great Western livery still. We've got both of them on the Exmouth line. 15238 and 15202, I think. There she is. So that's 15238 and 15232. There it is. Whoa, don't often see this arrive. And this is why we film, guys. Oh, she's reversing. And how awkward it is. Watch out! Watch out, guys.
Oh no, he's guiding.
Oh, wait. Oh yeah, he's guiding it. Literally. This must be their nightmare. Must be one of their worst nightmares parking here.
Especially when it's the last one. It's got a tiny bit.
That's how awkward it is. So 15232 and 15238. 15232 and 15238. There's 19658 WA60 FHP and 37472 158. And that's 19658. Just received a ticket for her. Just received a ticket from 19658.
You covered a camera whilst 96 was going around.
Did I?
Yeah.
No way! 36231. That's 36231, by the way.
Could have got a whole round.
That's 166 Pigeon! Get out the train tracks!
It's fine.
I'm warning them. Wait! Pigeon! Pigeon! This is 166 please. Not leaving these stores. No, me and my pigeon. Oh no, lost the doors. Right. And them doors are quite cool though. At night. No way are they all leaving at the same time. All that coach is just departed. And we're about to get toes off of this train here. 166203. That's coach D. So smoky. Now. One 66203, that's us down. Did do it 3-tone though. I know. Oh, train over there. Oh, where is it? There's.
They actually said they were going to blow the horn right up to him.
He did do it at the end of the platform like he said though. Because I've got an epic plan. I was going to do this. Now I'm going to come up here and bend down. No. No. Oh, lover. One 65132. Can you see him? Probably see your friend through the window. 165132. It's only a 2 car. Oh.
What do you want to do? Take a picture in it?
Yeah.
Well then.
Step
Right,
in.
stand there. I'll do it.
And just do this. Now.
Without me in it.
There.
I'll do you. Be careful.
No, big step. Yeah, can you do some tones please when you leave?
Yeah.
He's going to change it, he's going to change it. Ooh. I want it 5 having him off. Cool. He said that's here puts his Something wrong with it. Sounds like a steam train, doesn't it? It goes. It hasn't changed the destination board. Oh, I'm 48005. That's 165132. I think I'll do 165132, yeah. I was going to do mark so we can get them in up. 36231. She has got a big black line across her. Obviously where she's had some repairs done. She hasn't got the logo on the back of her, which is a bit unusual. She was a bit more. 36231 W11 BXW. I wonder where 15665 is. Well, I hope it's out. They both depart and come up here at the same time.
That syringe fixed.
Hello, minibus. Where are you going? Oh, 15665.
No one about first.
Let's zoom in. Who's going to come first? Oh no! Oh! What? 19658 and 15665. Oh, 2 open top buses. Two open top buses, 19658 and 15665. That's WA10THP and WA60FHP. 15665. Oh! So many crossovers at once. Flashing. Flashy flash from 47103. Where's she off to? Well, just doing bus spotting. So 15665 has parked up. Just as 47103 comes. No way did we get all of that on camera, all those buses. Oh, God! Beep. 47103. WA040XU. No way did we see all of that on camera. All at the same time. Oh, that's destination board is changing. Oh no, excuse me. Oh, not in service. 48006, Friday 1588. She's warm. We forgot to film her. Even 37471, who is a special one, is getting boring. Oh, no, we have my pigeon! Aww. Oh, pigeon resting. Me and my pigeon. This is rubbish. Isn't it? Don't even know what it is, but...
3715.
That's it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. We have my pigeon! Oh. Oh. We have my pigeon! 48006 is back on 357.
Meow.
Meow! Oh, me and my pigeon!
Oh my god.
Oh, Jesus!
Wait, Tyler, leave him now. I want to get a photo.
Oh my
Come on.
god! Oh my god! They're coming back! They're all listening!
I want to get a photo of these pigeons that are attacking the area.
Hello? Go back over there. That's it. Oh, whoa! Whoa! What? They're literally everywhere.
Look on the town camera. Look on the town camera. It's delayed.
Is it? Cool. 37471. Right, 68 UTY. So here he is again. Cross the road for 99. Excuse me, are you actually 99 now?
I don't know.
Need to cross. Are you going to Brixton now?
What?
Are you going up to Brixton now?
No.
Where are you?
Alright. We'll manage.
Where are you going? Whereabouts are you going?
Until this sorted out.
Because I know the buses really, really well. If 99 is over there, it'll stop from. Most of them will. Are you going to exercise? And if you just let me know where you're going, then I can help you with the buses.
Okay.
I like his shoes.
37471. Right at 68 UTY. Yeah. There's an epic photo of 37471. Hot dog.
I think he might get the idea back.
Oh, we're my pigeon. Hey baby. 10657 WA60 FHO. Wait. I want to have a look at all of them. I want to see them all in the same place really. But 19657 and seagulls right above him. So 19658, 19657, 15665, all in the same day. How possible is this? What's over? That's 37033, I think. It says. Oh, I didn't do anything. Boring. Like boring. Well, seagull. This will make the most of our video anyway. That's good. I'm going to ask the fire engine as transport today. Just because I can. Yep, it's the Pride, everyone. There's 37118. We're about to catch the crossover. Oh, pigeons. You go charging now. Pigeon, get out the road. Pigeon, get out the road. Get out the road. Oh, one more into the road. Oh my word. What the? Yep, 36238. Whoa, that just got that on camera. 36238 WA11 CGG. These parts a bit far back. I might get a horn or may not. WA11 CGG. And there's no way we've got two. No way we've got two beach ball in 50200 in Exmouth. Oh, pigeon. Me and my pigeon. No way! It's 48005. YJ15 ADZ. Does not sound too loud, does she? Oh, seagull. Oh my, that was good. Oh, another one. So, this is going to be public transport and birds in Exmouth. That's what this video will be. Ooh, a bit like yesterday. Oh. Oh my god. Whoa, there. Oh my. Oh my god. Oh my. A minute. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my. What the hell? Oh my word. Whoa there. Oh yeah. They're flocking. They're gonna flock. See all. Me and my seagull. Oh yeah. Hey look. Whoa. Oh my word. What the hell? What the... Oh my pigeon! Oh my... What think pigeon means? Oh my... Whoa! Have we seen 15665 twice now? No way. The 15665 with a seagull. I'm being my pigeon! Okay, this is where it starts. Yep, they're all coming. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, 37115, it's Rupert. He's a good one. Oh, do you mind? Can I come and have a look, Rupert? Hang on. Oh. Yep, they've got beach ball seats. Ooh. Oh, that's it. Oh, and that shouldn't get caught in it.
And that shouldn't get caught in it.
If you just lower that.
Yeah, I'll get
because
that. You take that out.
There we go.
And that's what you do on the inside.
Yep.
And on the outside.
On the outside, we have to check the wheels.
You have to check all the wheel nuts are on.
Yep.
That the tyres aren't flat. That there's enough tread on the tyres.
Yeah.
That all the lights work, the indicators, all the lights on the front, all the lights on the back.
Oh, this one's got a little gap here.
Yeah, that's okay though.
Yeah.
Make sure there's no sharp edges sticking out.
Yeah.
Make sure windscreen wipers work.
Yep.
Make sure that
everything works.
the doors open and close properly.
Yep. In fact, have a go at doing that, please. Yep. We've busted up here, just.
That's open.
And that's open. So where's the closed one then?
That little one there. Look.
Oh yeah, very small one.
You can reach it.
I might be able
Remember
to.
it. Careful, it's going to shut.
Nice. And now.
Wait.
That is cool, isn't it?
And you have to do those checks every time you take the bus out in the morning.
And it just beeps for a while.
And then you have to fill in a form
So
saying that you've checked.
Round the roundabout.
Please? Have a trip around the roundabout and back to the other side?
No, I can't. You won't be insured if I have an accident or anything. I will be very unhappy. I'll see you when I get back.
Yeah. Can you put the horn when you leave? Film me for YouTube shorts, this is why. What the? Okay. Motorbike. Going round the roundabout.
Rude as a gangster.
Hold your horn! Or not.
He's being the gangster.
Oh, so you got vision. This is the last time we'll see 19657 today. I'm going to suggest to him. 19657 WA60FHO. Okay, we'll give us a little toot. What? I'm 37471. Haven't seen her today. Haven't seen her that much, have we? Most important of all, if you don't mind, she's over there.